Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you what's going on here. Today is a good day. If you guys have these coupons right here, I'm gonna post it in the video. Go up and get here. So I'm gonna walk up in here real quick, and I am looking for, what am I looking for? The game for $9.95. I could not find it. It ended up being on the end cap. But anyway, you want to grab some drift. Look, I can't reach that. I'm so short. Oh, thank God for a tall son, baby. Yeah, sorry. Get you a drift. Get you some Tide for $9.95. You could get the liquid or the Tide Pods. I decided to get the Tide Pods. I'm not a fan of the liquid, and plus a lot of my customers like the Tide Pods. It's easier, it's more convenient. So you get one bag of those for $9.95. Then there is the game for $9.95. It was on the end cap, and it was like, I got the last of them because it was wiped out. Somebody definitely came in here and cleaned up, which is cool. So I did about 4 or 5 transactions. Can't remember. Went and got some more. Came back in the store, bought one. Check these receipts out. And here are the coupons that you need.